Hi, so I've seen a lot of requests for a queuing system bot in their for people in their Discord servers to organize games. So I'm gonna just wanted to quickly show you what mine bot allows. It allows a lot of other stuff except queuing, but it is one of the biggest features. So Among Us is currently the biggest game at the moment. So let's go ahead and try and ping it. And right away you'll see Among Us, that's the game you're looking for, how to sign up for it if no one else was available for the ping. So in this case, there were two people who are not alerted, Matic and Bulwark, because they cannot see this channel, so they're not going to get a notification. I'll show what that looks like a bit later. Second thing is the default squad size is 5. That can be very easily changed if you go ahead and just ping, say, Minecraft, because again, the game does not matter, comma 10. It will make it a maximum limit of 10. Now it says overriding your old summon because I pinged the game before, and it was still there. So it destroys that completely and makes a new one. In the bottom, you'll find emojis for quick actions. So this one allows you to join. However, if you've already joined, then it won't let you. This one leaves. So if you press this as the owner, that will also disband your summon. So I'm going to go ahead and ping Minecraft again. Let it pop back up. So again, it says the reform members who weren't invited because they cannot see this channel because listing a lot of people would just flood the channel, so I just limited to 1 or 2, 3 before just saying, there's too many. The next 3 buttons is just saying I'll join in X amount of time, so 15, 30, 45 minutes. I'll show that in a second. The last option, or the last actual option here, allows you to kick people from your summon. So if someone's in here you don't want, you press this, you'll be able to kick. It says there's no one to banish at the moment, so you can't do that. And the final button, which isn't really an option, it just takes the message and brings it down. It also updates any relevant information. So if I go ahead and change my nickname to ASD and then I just refresh, I will now look, it will now show my name accordingly. So I'm going to quickly change my nickname back and reset. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like when someone else joins your queue. So I have a backup account here. And so if I press the join, so if I try to leave, first of all, it will say you have to join before you can leave. Makes sense. If you join it, it will update the embed and say who joined. Now you can leave again and it will update the embed and say the person left. And this is what I meant by the clock. So if you click 30 minutes, it will say they joined 30 minutes. They are still technically reserved a spot. And when it comes to kicking, if you do the kick, so again, only the owner can kick. So here, this is my backup account. If he tries to kick, it will say only the original summoner can do it. We go back here, you do kick, and you can choose who you're trying to kick. So if we want to kick Backyapy, bam, he's gone, embed's good. And see, we're getting a lot of flooded messages. We can just bring that down. That's that. Very simple. Now, in terms of actual DMs, so notifications, what you can do is if someone is signed up for Minecraft, so I'm going to go ahead and do that on my backup account. So now I've signed up for Minecraft. This does not involve any roles. So notice if I go here, it has nothing to do with Minecraft except the server related roles. And now my main account goes ahead and pings Minecraft. You'll see that now it actually mentioned inside the embed, which doesn't actually show up as a yellow like an ad here. So this is because if someone refreshes, it won't try and get your attention again. But you do get a direct message saying who summoned you, for what game, and in what server. So you know exactly where to look for. So that's the basic pinging system. There are some other miscellaneous commands you can do. If you fill up, for example, the ping, so I'm going to ping Minecraft, comma 2, so there's only 2 people I can join, right? So I'm going to go ahead and join with my backup account. And what you're going to notice is it will tell you that your summon's been filled up. It shows it's 2 out of 2, and you can basically choose if you want to do, this is a beta feature in the moment, but I'm just showing in case someone who's watching is interested in this. An infinite queuing system for random teams. This will be later expanded for captains and leaderboards, but for now it's just random teams. So if I, as the captain, because if my backup account tries to join, he won't be able to. But if the main account, or the person who's done the summon does this, bam, what happens is it creates a random team. There's only 2, so it's 50-50. And it says undefined, and no one's yet because there's no one in charge of this summon. So if you actually try and join and you reset this, it will still say undefined.